Hello and Namaste. Welcome to Thoughts and More, a space where we learn about life and lifestyles and we all grow together. Today, I want to talk about the basic life skills. 5 basic life skills which are much needed and very helpful in leading a successful life. When I say success, I mean leading an independent life. These life skills are essential not only for adults but for kids as well to transform into responsible and independent adults. Number 1. Structure. A structure or routine is essential in your day to day life as it helps you become more efficient and productive. Have you heard or said words like, "This is something I have always wanted to do but never got time"? Or, "How do you get time to do all this?" Or, "I was thinking about doing it but didn't have time"? Well, all of us on earth have been allotted the same amount of time, the same 24 hours a day, and the same 7 days a week. Some people are able to make the most out of the time at hand because they are able to plan and prioritize better. It's not rocket science. Just create a structure or routine. Even the psychologists have mentioned that a structure or routine reduces the amount of stress, anxiety one might carry on day-to-day basis. Try this especially while the world is at a pause during this COVID-19. It's the uncertainty or the unknown that leads into the fear, which results into the anxiety and stress. By creating this structure or routine, you are removing that fear of unknown, and hopefully it helps out. Number 2. Since we are on the topic of planning, the next point is chores. Make a daily routine of making your bed first thing in the morning after you get up. Just like brushing your teeth, this is also a very healthy habit. It will bring a positive energy in the room. It will also help you start the day off on a positive note. I'm sure you will notice the change in your mind and behavior when you see the positivity in the room with this small task. Cleaning up after your closet, arranging and keeping your clothes and table, these are the basics. Fix up a routine with the kids for doing the laundry or getting help from them in folding the laundry or putting the laundry back once it is folded. While they will learn to become responsible, they will also learn to share the load of home chores. Number 3. Meal preparation. Everyone should know how to cook basic meals. One should take pride in knowing how to cook. Include the kids in making meals. If we have time to eat, then certainly we can take out time to learn to cook, even if it is once a week. The main idea is to learn how to do basic cooking, and one does not need to cook fancy meals. Any basic meal preparation is fine. I will put the link of videos from our basic cooking ideas in the description section below. The main idea is to learn to cook and to do so with love. The bhav or the emotion when you cook is what brings taste to the food and not the spices. Have you ever wondered how your mother or your grandparents would cook with only bare minimum items yet the food would taste so good? It's because they cooked with love. Encourage that love for cooking in your kids. Not only will they learn cooking, but also healthy eating habits. Number 4. Packing. Ask your kids to pack their school bags or lunch bags. As simple as when they are ready for sleepovers, Ask them to pack their bags. That way, they will learn to plan better and become more responsible. When going for a trip, ask them to put together what they want to take. That way, they will learn how to travel light. What are the key things that need to be taken and how to manage with limited resources? Don't you think these are necessary for every one of us to lead a stress free life? I know I'm making an analogy here, but the lighter the baggage, the easier is the journey. Have minimum baggage of ego, attitude, comparison, etc., and the journey of life will be pleasant. Travel life, travel light, and stray bright. Teach the kids through practical ways. Number 5, caring. Happiness comes to you automatically when you spread happiness. And how do you spread happiness? Well, it's simple. It's by learning to care and tend for others. Teach your kids to care for pets at home. Make them responsible to take the pets for a walk, to feed them, and other basic necessities. It does not have to be animals or pets. It can even be tending for a plant in a pot. Watering the plants regularly and caring for them will teach the kids responsibility. Caring can even be taught by including them in simple things like helping prepare a grocery list, making a card for loved one, sending handwritten notes. Simple stuff like these can brighten someone's day. If you are able to groom your kids in such a way that they learn to do their own work, you will be preparing them to be successful and help them become independent and responsible adults. And don't we all want that for us and for our kids? Now, here is a small but beautiful story that I read when I was a young kid. It's called Apna Kaam Swayam Karo, meaning do your own work. Once upon a time, in a farm, there lived a mommy bird with her newborns in a nest. While the young ones were still learning to fly, the mommy bird would fly in the morning to gather food for the young ones. One day, the little birds told Mommy, Mommy, we are very scared. We have not yet learned to fly, and we heard the owner of the farm came, and he is planning to harvest the crop. He came with his son and said, Looks like the crop is ready to be harvested, so I'll tell my friends to come and cut it for me. After saying that, the baby birds started to cry, as they feared the farmer would cut down their nest. The mommy bird said, Don't worry, nothing will happen. After a few days, again the same thing happened. The little birds told Mommy Bird, Mommy, we are very scared. We have not yet learned to fly, and we heard the owner of the farm came, and he is planning to harvest the crop. This time he came with his son and said, My friends did not come to harvest the crop, so this time I will ask my relatives to come for help. Saying that, the baby birds started to cry, as they once again feared their home would be down. The mommy bird said once more, Don't worry, nothing will happen. A few weeks passed, and this time the baby birds again told Mommy Bird, Mommy, today the farmer again came with the son and said, Tomorrow we will bring machines and harvest the crop ourselves. Enough. The mommy bird told the young birds, Well, kiddos, today's the day we must fly off. And by now, the young birds had learned to fly, and together they fluttered and soared high in the sky. And that's when Mommy Bird told the young birds the lesson of life. She said, We will never be able to attain our target or our goals until we ourselves strive for it. The farmer was always dependent on others earlier. But the moment he decided that he is going to do his own work, I knew now there is no delay. I knew it's time for us to fly. So, the moral of this story is you will only be able to achieve your goals if you put in the effort yourself to do so. So, do your own work. I hope you all liked and learned something from today's topic. Even if there is one takeaway for any one of you from this, then this video got its worth. If you liked it, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I wish you all soar high in the sky and achieve whatever goals you wish to. Till we meet again, may peace be with us all. Om Shanti.